Kapamilya, sabay-sabay nating buksan ang mga ilaw ng cellphones natin. Nawalaman ang ilaw mula sa ABS-CBN Tower. Tandaan nyo, tayo ang ilaw ng bawat kapamilya. Thank you, kapamilya, for joining us in this momentous event. This is just the beginning of greater things to come. Let's continue to celebrate the stories we have told and the countless more stories we are yet to tell. We are ABS-CBN and we are Kapamilya forever!